see, fear expects the worst possible outcome, whereas faith expects a miracle. Fear freezes. Faith moves. Fear looks to survive. Faith seizes opportunities. And to some degree, I think that the intensification has nothing to do with the actual intensification of events, but rather the intensification of our focus on them. Think about the advent of social media and how now you can just consume information at a rate you never could before. So everything that happens, the fear is multiplied. And that fear is infectious.